Having trouble finding time for cleaning? You can leave the cleaning to smart robot vacuums with peace of mind. Cleaning robots thoroughly clean the rooms of your home as programmed on the days and times you desire. But which are the best robot vacuum models? Which cleaning robot should you buy in 2024? Here's the ranking of the top 3 robot vacuums that will help you with your cleaning tasks. Number 3. Third place on our list belongs to Wise Robot Vacuum. The Wise Robot Vacuum knows your home better than you. It features 7 sets of sensors to map your home, navigate around obstacles, and avoid falling downstairs. It uses the most advanced LiDAR sensor to scan your rooms in seconds and navigates a neat path for each room, using straight-line movements to vacuum hardwood and carpet. You can select a room and send your Wise Robot Vacuum out for an impromptu cleaning. Have cords under your desk? Dog bowls in the corner? No problem. You can create a no-go zone to tell your cleaner machine where it can't go. A high-torque brush roll, a side brush for edges, and 2020 100 PA suction power to get the tough stuff. 3 modes of quiet, standard, and strong are available in the Wise app to clean the embedded dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hairs correspondingly. Wise Robot Vacuum cleans all surfaces, hardwood floor, and high-pile carpet. The robotic cleaner can cross height gaps up to 0.8 and 20 millimeters to clean across any road bumps. WiseVac runs up to 110 mins on a single charge. It will drive itself back to the charging station after it has finished its path. Or, if the battery gets low during cleaning, it returns for a charge before picking it back up right where it left off. And number 2 on our list, Roborock Q5 Plus. The self-empty dock automatically empties the Q5's dustbin after each cleanup, so you don't have to do it manually or frequently. Its 2.5-liter dust bag can hold up to 7 weeks of dirt. Extremely accurate LiDAR navigation creates precise maps that can even be viewed in 3D. You can also add furniture and floor materials to recreate your home virtually. With an incredible maximum suction power of 2,700 Pascal, the Q5 easily lifts debris and pet hair from floors and drags it out from deep inside carpets. A multi-plane floating brush keeps the brush closer to the ground for deeper cleaning, even on uneven surfaces. It is strongly resistant to hair tangles and perfect for homes with pets. Powered by high-capacity battery and a 470 mm dustbin, you get long-lasting cleaning that can easily tackle most homes in one clean. And today's champion robot is the Roborock S8 Plus. Let Roborock S8 Plus handle the dirty work while you kick back and relax. Duo roller brush and Viberize mopping system brings you the latest tech for a new level of cleaning. Coupled with the Rock Dock Plus, the smart cleaning experience has never been more effortless. After cleanups, the robot vacuum automatically empties itself into the 2.5-liter dust bag, storing up to 7 weeks of dirt and dust for your convenience, keeping you away from the dirty work for longer. The all-new dual rubber brushes enhance vacuuming and ensure fewer hair tangles, taking hands-free cleaning to the next level. From hardwood to tiles and even carpets and rugs, hair and dirt are easily swept away. Roborock S8 Plus effortlessly removes all dirt and debris with Hyperforce's suction power of 6,000 Pascal for flawless floors. Experience the power of sonic vibration technology with scrubbing up to 3,000 times per minute featuring 6N of consistent downward pressure to remove all stains and mess. Your floors will be left gleaming. With 3D structured light and infrared imaging technology, Roborock S8 Plus can easily identify and avoid potential hazards on the floors, in both bright and dark rooms, bringing you a worry-free cleaning experience. Build an accurate virtual map of your house for the perfect cleanup. The 3D map allows you to add furniture for a detailed map that will ensure a thorough cleaning. GH's Wi-Fi connection and comprehensive app control. With Roborock app, cleaning control is just in your hands. You can see exact mopping and vacuuming routes, where carpets are, set cleaning schedules, adjust suction power, vibration strength, water flow, set no-go zones, invisible walls, and more in the Roborock app.